The world of jewellery, a sparkling journey. Jewellery, spelt as jewelry in American English, is an enchanting topic, adored and appreciated globally for its beauty, value, and the artistry behind each piece. This video will delve into the history, types, and significance of jewellery, offering a journey into a world that combines culture, fashion, and craftsmanship. History of jewellery. Jewellery has been part of human civilization for thousands of years, dating back to ancient times. Early pieces were made from natural materials like bones, shells, and stones. In ancient Egypt, jewellery symbolized power and status, with gold being a favorite material. The Romans and Greeks also valued jewellery, often using precious stones such as emeralds and pearls. Over centuries, jewellery designs and materials have evolved, mirroring the cultures and trends of the times. Types of jewellery. There are various types of jewellery, each serving different purposes and styles. The most common types include necklaces, worn around the neck. They come in various lengths and styles, from simple chains to elaborate pieces with pendants or stones. Rings, usually worn on fingers. Rings can symbolize love, like engagement and wedding rings, commitment, or simply personal style. Earrings, designed for the ears. Earrings can be studs, hoops, or drop styles, varying greatly in size and design. Bracelets, worn around the wrist. Bracelets range from delicate chains to large decorative bangles. Brooches. These are decorative pins, often used to fasten scarves or adorn a jacket. Materials used in jewellery. Jewellery can be made from a wide range of materials. The most precious are metals and gemstones. Metals. Gold, silver, and platinum are the most popular. Gold is measured in carats, indicating its purity. 24-karat gold is pure gold. Gemstones. These include diamonds, rubies, sapphires, and emeralds. Diamonds are especially prized for their hardness and brilliance. However, less expensive jewellery, known as costume jewellery, is made from less valuable materials like glass, plastic, or metals that are not precious. Significance and symbolism. Jewellery is not only about beauty or fashion, it often holds deeper meanings. For example, cultural significance. In many cultures, certain jewellery pieces are symbols of tradition and identity. For instance, in Indian weddings, brides wear specific types of jewellery, like the Mangalsutra, a necklace symbolizing marriage. Personal significance. Jewellery can commemorate personal milestones or serve as keepsakes of loved ones. Artistic expression. Jewellery makers or jewellers often create pieces that are not only decorative, but also artistic and expressive. Caring for jewellery. Looking after jewellery is essential to maintain its beauty and longevity. Here are some tips. Clean regularly. Use a soft cloth and, if necessary, mild soap and water. Certain gemstones and metals require specific cleaning methods. Store carefully. Keep jewellery in a fabric-lined case or box with different sections to prevent scratching. Avoid chemicals. Perfumes, lotions, and other chemicals can damage jewellery, so apply these before wearing your pieces. Buying jewellery. When purchasing jewellery, consider the following. Budget. Decide how much you want to spend. Remember, the value is not just in the material, but also in the craftsmanship and design. Purpose. Are you buying it for daily wear, special occasions, or as an investment? Style and preference. Choose what suits your style and preference. Trying on different pieces can help decide what looks best on you. Authenticity. When buying precious jewelry, ensure you get a certificate of authenticity, especially for high-value items like diamonds. Conclusion: jewelry is more than just adornment. It's a form of expression, a reflection of culture, and often a cherished heirloom. Understanding its history, types, and significance adds depth to our appreciation of these beautiful creations. Whether it's a simple silver necklace or a diamond ring, each piece of jewelry tells a story, making it all the more special to those who wear it.